Introducing the MobiCam Multi-Purpose Smart Monitoring Camera. In this video, I will demonstrate how to connect the MobiCam Multi-Purpose to your smartphone. First, download the Mobi Smart app and sign up for an account. Please allow or accept any pop-up messages such as Bluetooth location and notifications. On the main screen of the Mobi Smart app, tap on Add Device. The MobiCam Multi-Purpose will appear on the Searching for Nearby Devices section. Tap on Add. Next, tap on the blue button indicator. Then add your Wi-Fi information. Allow a short period of time for the MobiCam to connect. Once connected, tap on Done on the top right corner. The MobiCam Multi-Purpose offers a wide range of features designed to enhance security and convenience. Key features include night vision for clear visibility in low light, motion detection for real-time alerts, continuous recording for uninterrupted footage, and many other advanced capabilities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other amazing products on our online store website. Stay connected, secure, and have peace of mind with Mobi.